friends, I'm Melanie from melaniecooks.com, and today I'll be making an egg and bacon toast in the air fryer. So we need bread, egg, and bacon, and also seasonings. I'll use salt and pepper. So let me take out the air fryer basket, and I'm going to put a slice of bread in the basket, and I'm going to use a cup to make an indentation in the bread. This is going to be to hold the egg in place. And now I will crack an egg. And I'll crack it in that hole. And I'll sprinkle it with salt and pepper. And now I will take a slice of bacon and I'll wrap it around the egg. So just put it around the egg. So now let's put the air fryer basket in the air fryer. And I will set the temperature to 380 degrees Fahrenheit, and I will set the time to 7 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Look at this bacon and egg toast. It looks amazing. Let me take it out of the air fryer. Perfect. Now the egg yolk is runny inside. You can see it jiggling. If you like it to be firm, then just cook it for an additional 2 minutes until it's done to your liking. This looks amazing. I'm so excited about trying it. Let's try it. Let me just cut the bread so you can see. See, the egg is still liquid inside, and that's how I like it. So if you like it more done, then cook it more. It's totally up to you. And now let's try it. Amazing. It is so good. You're going to love it. It's a perfect, easy breakfast. For a free printable recipe and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!